Good evening and welcome, and thank you for coming. First and foremost, I want to put out a heartfelt thank you to each and every one. We've had an incredible mix of industry leaders here, some good suppliers, some partners, some team members, some customers. Thank you. We wouldn't be here without any one of you. Tonight, we're not just unveiling a new caravan, we're redefining what's possible in off-grid luxury. The Counterstrike Vincere isn't just another step for Kokoda, it's a giant leap for customer experience. Kokoda's always stood for strength, passion and pride. These are not just words, they're the foundation of everything we do. Innovation isn't just something we say, it's something we embody. It's in our DNA. That's why we've consistently led the way in off-grid capability, and tonight we take that even further. Caravanning is evolving. People no longer want to choose between adventure and comfort. They want the best of both worlds, without compromise. Ask my wife. No, we know this because we do love traveling ourselves. And we've listened to our customers, the real travelers, real adventurers, and off-road enthusiasts. We're looking to not just meet expectations, but we're looking to redefine them. Tonight, we're introducing the Counterstrike Vincere. It's not just a caravan, but a new benchmark for ultra luxury off-grid caravan. This is the most innovative, self-sufficient caravan ever built in the world. Every feature has been designed to push the boundaries of what's possible in off-grid travel. It's got unlimited power. Was that an echo? Unlimited power. 7.3 kilowatts of solar and a silence generator of 8 kilowatts. You will not run out of power. It's got endless hot and cold water because it makes its own. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Infinite power and water. You actually don't have to worry about it. We've done lots of things in the past to help it, but this one does it. Dual side hard awnings, no flappy flaps anymore. A global first. Pull out entry step with a full length handrail. Acoustic interior design for luxury, meeting tranquility. We're pushing boundaries with the best in the industry. It doesn't happen in isolation. It happens when you collaborate with the best, and we want to thank all of you tonight for that. A massive thank you to Victron, Baintech, Garmin, OzX Corp, Urban, and the list will go on. So Kokoda, we manufacture in-house full composite panels with advanced high-end systems as a standard on the land we stand on tonight, just back there. Not the Kokoda once known of. We're grateful and proud of what we achieve for each and every van that we produce in-house every day. A special thank you to once again to our suppliers, our customers, our team members who help us achieve that. Thank you guys, we appreciate you. We couldn't have done it without you.